morning everybody, welcome back to term 2, welcome back to phonics. Hope you've all had a great break. Really missed you and hopefully we'll see you again pretty soon. So I'm hoping you've got all your equipment with you like I've got. Hopefully you've got your pen and your sock and your whiteboard. Okay, if you've got all those things, let's start. So at the beginning today we've got a brand new grapheme that we're going to use. Our learning intention today, the aims are to learn the two main graphemes for owl, to blend words containing these graphemes. How will I know when I've achieved my target? I can write the two graphemes for owl in 5 seconds and I can blend the owl words. And I'm sure you guys will be able to do this, which will be fantastic. Okay, the two main graphics that make up the phoneme owl are OW saying owl and OU saying owl. There is also an extension grapheme for owl and that one we will learn later. So those are the two that we have to know and I think you'll know these pretty well. Now, can you write me the two graphemes? I'll do them as well. How did you go? I'm sure you did really well. So it's OW for owl and OU for owl. Great. Can you put your whiteboard down, rub your board, and let's do some blending. Cow. Now. Vow. Can you clarify this word for me? What does vow mean? Vow means it's when somebody gives you a solemn promise. Town. Great. Do the next one by yourself. Crown. Fantastic, everybody. Fowl. Another name for a bird sometimes. Sometimes a hen can be called a fowl. There's one there. Did you get crowd? Clown. Good job, everybody. Flower. Well done. Power. Now let's do some fast read. I'll do the first couple with you and then you follow on. Now, vow, clown, crown. Great job everybody, fantastic. Now write me the two graphemes again. Excellent, let's check them. Did you get OW? Did you get OU? Good job everybody if you did. Let's do some more blending now of the owl words. Loud, loud. Sow, sound, sound. Found, found. Good job everybody. Pow, pound, pound. Do you know 3 meanings for the word pound? Let's have a think. Can you think of 3 different things? Let's have a look what they were looking for. So over in England there is money and it's called a pound. I think it's almost like the equivalent of Australia has $1. England has £1. Now this is where the dogs are kept too. Sometimes they're called the pound. And this is where you pound something to grind it up. Like here we see these seeds are being ground and they're being pounded with a mortar and a pestle. So that's like to pound with something. Count, count, count. How, hound. Hound is another name for a dog. Ground, ground. Good job everybody, really well done. Vow, vouch. What does vouch mean, do you think? Let's see what they tell us. It means to support as being true or reliable. So what does that mean? To support somebody that you know that they are true and they are reliable. So we can use it as, I can vouch for Ed that he played fairly in handball today. That's where we could use the word vouch. Cloud, cloud. Mouse, mouse. How, house. Let's do some fast read for the OU words. Loud, sound, you do the rest. Good job, everybody. Partner talk. Can we make a rule about where our and our occur in words? Looks like we might be able to make a rule, but can we actually make a rule? No, not this time. We just need to learn when to use each one. So we just need to learn when we use OU and where we use OW. Now, write the two graphemes for me again, which I'm sure you'll be good at this time. Ow, ow. Good job, everybody. All right, let's do thumbs up, thumbs down. Which one is it? Is it town or is it town? Which one is it? If you pick that one, you're correct. Which one is it? Is it this one with sound this way, or is it this one with sound that way? What do you think? Let's see. Wow, great if you pick that one. Fantastic. Here's vouch or vouch. This is tricky because this is not a word that we see very often. Is it this one or is it this one? I think it might be this one. Let's check it. Great. Move on. Clow and clown. Which one do you think? I think it's this one. Whoops. What did you think? Good job. Couch or couch? Is it our or is it this our? I think it might be this one. Yep, excellent. How did you go? Write the two graphemes for me again. OW saying our and OU saying our. Good job, everybody. Rub your boards. Put the boards down. Let's have a little reflection. Partner talk. Tell your partner the definitions of one of these words that we have. Can't really tell our partner, so if mum or somebody's there, or maybe you can think about them yourself. So we want to know what the definition is, the meaning of the word vouch is. What's the definition for pound, and what's the definition for vow? Let's see if we can remember. To vouch for someone is to say that you know that they are true and reliable. So I could say I can vouch for Ed that he plays fairly when we play handball. Now, who can remember what the three different definitions for pound are? How did you go? One, it's where the dogs are taken sometimes. If they're strays, they're taken to a pound and they're kept there till their owners come and get them. Two, a pound is what's the same as the Australian $1. In England, they have £1 and it's the same. And then what was the other pound? Oh, that's right. It's when you pound something, when you pound it down to a powder. So if there's seeds in a mortar and a pestle, you can pound them and you can make them into like a powder. Now vow, who remembers that one? That was the first one we had. What was it again? Something to do with a promise. I think they called it a solemn promise, but a promise would probably be good enough. How did you go? Did you remember those ones? Okay, can we write the two graphemes in 5 seconds? I'm pretty sure you can. And can you blend the our words? I think you really can. So well done, everybody. It's a great celebration. It's great to be back at school. Lovely that you have joined us. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, bye.